In this short video tutorial, I am going to show you how to add money to your Cash App account. Now, we're going to do this step by step so you can follow along easily. Cash App is a banking and investing application where you can send and receive money using a Cash App card, buy Bitcoin, invest in stocks, and more. Now, before adding money, the first thing you need to do is make sure you have a bank account or debit card linked to your Cash App. If you haven't added anything yet, you will need to connect a bank account or debit card first. So, to get started, open Cash App on your device and go to the home screen. Then, in the top corner, you will see your current balance or the banking icon if you don't have any money available. Now, on the banking screen, you will see the option that says Add Cash. Tap on it, and Cash App will show you some preset amounts that you can add. You can also tap the amount field and enter a custom amount if you want. Now, once you choose the amount, tap Add Cash and confirm using Face ID or another security method. After confirming the transaction details, the money will be transferred directly into your Cash App balance. Just remember that Cash App may process the transfer immediately after confirmation, so you should double check the amount before tapping Add Cash. Additionally, you should keep in mind that adding money with a credit card may come with additional fees, and that's how you can add money to your Cash App account on your device. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.